Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with another new video in which I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device vivo Y75 5G. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. If your headphone jack is not working or your earphone jack is not working, you can solve it by the way as I am showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand how you can solve your headphone jack problem in your device vivo Y75 5G.